Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 22, 2026, Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayon June 22, 2026, Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, June 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 22, 2026, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, June 22, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 22, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.